All right, this is all ready to weld up here. I got it all trimmed off, ground down. Opened up this hole here so I can get a cleco in to locate that where I want it. This is all looking good here. It's all lined up. I managed to get this hole ended up being right on the seam here. So it was cut in half. There's half of the hole is on this piece, half of the hole is on this piece. So I had another one of these, and I just drilled a hole near the end of it. And I got it stuck up inside here. See, you can see that. And just on the end of it, cleco is coming through there. And you can see all this inner structure that I rebuilt here. It's all nice and closed up now. I'll keep the junk out of the rocker panel. I just want to show you on this side what it looked like. I think I've shown this already. There's the original rust on this side still. So that'll be the last piece I do. Actually, I'm going to work my way around the car. So once I'm done this door, or sorry, this fender, I'm going to jump onto the door. And then I'm going to address this. So we'll flap the fender here. And I found some more rust here, right here. This body brace is all blown out. I'm going to talk to the customer about that. Of course, it has to be fixed. There's a big rust bubble right here. So I'm just going to work my way around the car. Then I'll end up at that front fender. And that'll be it for the rust, hopefully. I'm quite pleased with this so far. So see how the welding goes.